Mario's bird. Hi everybody, welcome to the Clubhouse. Ding dong. Ooh, who could that be at the door? Hi Mario, what I got? A hat and a pom-pom. That's not a hat, it's a nest. Gosh, and what's in the nest? An egg, right. How exciting. Look, it's a kookalaka bird. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Gosh. I think it likes it, Mario. What do you think it's gonna name it? If ornament. Let's see here. Baby, kookalaka bird. Kookalaka bird. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Oh, shucks. Look at it go. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Wow. Yummy, a ham and cheese sandwich. Huh? Tasty. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Why? What? I got it. Oh no, baby Ripper's making a mess. We gotta catch it. Here, birdie, birdie. Tweet, tweet. Not again. I got it, I got it. No, I got it. Wow, ooh. Huh? Gotcha. Oh. At first. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Wow. Gosh. Oh, where'd it go? Hi, is there? His tickles out. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Gosh, now where is he? Cuckoo Waka! Tweet, tweet, tweet! Come out, wherever you are. I have an idea. What do we all call Cuckoo Waka? Everybody say, tweet, tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet, tweet. One more time. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet, tweet. There it is. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Hey there, little guy. We found Kookalaka bird. Good going. How will it do, little fella? Tweet, tweet, tweet. Kookalaka looks sad. Oh, I bet it wants his mommy. Tweet, tweet, tweet. We gotta take care of the mommy bird in the back hole. Goofy, Mario, where do we find the forest? The forest. That's where on the nest. The forest. Hot dog. And I brought us in the hat. Will you help us take care of the Kookalaka's mommy bird and take it back home to the forest? Yeah. That means we're gonna meet some Mousketeers. Come on, everybody. Let's go get some Mousketeers from the Mouseketeer. Mouska hey, Mouska high, Mouska ho. Mouska away, Mouska said, here we go. Your fame is not before. Toodles and tools, Mousketeers. Toodles and tools, Mousketeers. Miska, Mouseketeer. The mosquitoes, the mosquitoes, mosquitoes, run the mosquitoes. A pogo stick, bouncy. A blanket, soft. A blueberries, yummy yum. And the mystery mosquito. That's a surprise tool that can help us later. Look, it's Toodles. Hiya, Toodles. Oh my god. Hey, little rascal. Toodles is bringing us a mosquitoes with Reno. We got mosquitoes. All right. Now we can take care of the baby the cuckoo luckus mommy back to her mommy. Tweet, tweet, tweet. But first, we need to find the cuckoo luckus bird to find the forest. Everybody say telescope. Telescope. Hold on tight. Oh, tweet. The telescope can help you see things far away. Let's find a look at the forest. Is that the forest? No, that's the lake. Forests are made of trees. Let's keep looking. Is that the forest? No, that's Peso Park. Excuse me. Is that the forest? You betcha, that's a forest. Haha, good job, pal. But Peso, how do we find the cuckoo luckus forest all the way to the mommy bird? I got it. We can take the glove balloon to the forest. Well, what do you know? Glove balloon, here we come. Cuckoo lucka, we're taking up that home. Tweet, 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 tweet. This balloon sure is handy. Now that's what I call the glove balloon. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Gosh, what do you think Baby Ripper wants? Cuckoo luckus bird wants. I think Cuckoo luckus bird is hungry, but we don't bring any food. Hey, maybe Toodles we can help. Everybody say, oh Tumo, oh Tumo. How do you do, Toodles? A pogo stick, a blanket, blueberries. Oh, and a mystery mosquito. Do you think the pogo stick? That's silly. Alice ate a hubcap. Tasty. From Mario. What can you feed Cuckoo luckus bird? A blueberry. Right. We got ears. Say cheers. Cheers. Excuse me. Yum, 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 yum. Thanks for helping this sweet Cuckoo luckus bird. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Wow. Oh no. We're headed over to the Joe's and 3 snakes to fly over the flying and we gotta scare with it away. Right, air with the balloon. Hold the rope and count with me. 1, 2, 3. We made it over the 3 colorful snakes. Yay! Tweet, tweet, tweet. Good work, bird. We're gonna take it back home. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Oh, look. Shiver like a leaf. Cuckoo Look Up Bird must be at the cold. Maybe we get our mouth get to it that can keep Cuckoo Look Up Bird warm. Everybody say, oh, 2 moles, oh, 2 moles, tweet, tweet. Excuse me. A pogo stick, a blanket, oh, and a mystery musketeer. What can think you'll keep Cuckoo Look Up Bird warm? A blanket, right. We got ears. Say cheers. Cheers. Dun, 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 dun. Keep warm on the blanket. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Aw, shucks. Thanks for helping me to keep it warm, everybody. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Peso, look. Warm, everybody. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Peso, look. It's the forest. Do you see the forest? Yeah, there it is. Get ready for Aladdin. Ooh, look at that, all trees. How do we go find Cuckoo Look Up tree? Good question. Let's think. Tweet, tweet, tweet. That's it. I think Cuckoo Look Up Bird's mommy makes the sound he does. So let's all call out for Cuckoo Look Up's mommy bird. Everybody say tweet, tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Let's all keep in the mama tree for the Cuckoo Look Up Bird's mommy. Do you see it? Those are crocodiles. Now let's go find to the mama's tree. Is that? No. That's a toucan. Ah! Ah! Now let's go find the tallest tree. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Does that sound like a Cuckoo Look Up's mommy bird? Yeah, that must be at the baby river. That's the mommy bird. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Come on, let's go take Cuckoo Look Up's bird's mommy. Tallest tree, here we come. Oh no. Peso, how are we gonna find the Cuckoo Look Up's forest? We're too high up to jump, and that's for sure. I mean, one of them musketeers get this. Everybody say, oh, toodles. Oh, tweet. Oh, tweet, tweet. Whoa. A pogo stick. Oh, and a mystery musketeer. Definitely the pogo stick. Are you sure? Sure, I'm sure. Look. Boing, 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 boing. Ah! Ouch. I don't think a pogo stick works here. Me either. Oh, that means it's time for the Mystery Musketeer. Everybody say, Mystery Musketeer. Mystery Musketeer. What's today's Mystery Musketeer? That's why you're right. We got ears. Say cheers. Cheers. Dun, 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 dun. Come up a bit, everybody. Slide down the forest with us. Woo! All right. We made it to the forest. Now let's go find the tallest tree. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Wow, the tallest tree. Look out the birds. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Wow. Which one of this bird is mommy bird? Red bird. The cuckoo bird. Baby is the baby red bird. Which one of these are yellow? The mommy up the tree and the colorful, the yellow and bird mommy. Which one is this baby red bird's mommy? Well, how many times does baby red bird tweet? Oh, what? tweet. 3 times. Yay! Will you help us get towards the baby red bird tree? What's good for the mommy red bird? Tweet, tweet, tweet. How many tweets is that? 1, 2, 3. 3 tweets. Just like this mommy red bird. Mommy's red bird. Cuckoo locust bird, it's that your mommy. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Alright. We made it up to the tallest tree. Yay! Tweet, tweet, tweet. Hooray! Boom. Peso, how are we gonna find the cuckoo locust bird all the way up there? Why don't we check our musketeers and see if they can help? Everybody say, oh, Junos. Can we use the pogo stick to jump up to mommy red bird? Cuckoo locust mommy bird? You betcha. We pick all our musketeers. Say super cheers. Here you go, Goof. Peso. Mario. Gosh, you could do it. I know you can. Tweet, tweet, tweet. To jump up to mommy red bird, cuckoo locust mommy bird, and jump all the tallest tree. Will you cheer Mario next in the top to the tallest tree? Yeah. Here you go. To jump up, the pogo stick says jump high. Tweet, tweet, tweet. It's working. To jump up to mommy bird, say jump higher. We're almost there. Tweet, tweet, tweet. To jump up to the highest day, bounce highest. Whoa! Bowen. Pleased to meet you, mommy cuckoo locust bird. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Here's your very, very joy. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet, tweet. And the tweet, tweet, toot in too. Boom. It's working. We did it. Oh boy. We all helped mommy's red bird with his mommy. Oh, we sure did. Good luck, Goofy. And you too, Goofy. and Peso, Mario, and Peso, you're 2. Now it's time for say goodbye. See you later. Bye. Bounce, bounce.